All right, I want to talk to you today about what I do. Something that's changed my life, a system that I started using, I don't know how many months ago, but I'm telling you, it changed my life and it's super simple. And before this, I was looking for all these day planners and I had a million things to do for home, for school, for work, for, everything. And I was like, it's driving me bananas. And then I started watching some YouTube videos and this is kind of what I came up with. I don't know if I saw it somewhere or I actually came up with this. I can't exactly be sure, but I read some books on it as well that gave me some more ideas. But essentially, this is what you do. You take everything you have to do for work, everything you have to do for home, everything you have to do for homeschool, everything that is weighing on your mind, every email you have to send, every phone call you need to make, and you put it on one list. This is your master list. So these are a couple examples of what I came up with just to show you how it works. Now, I did a longer video on this before. Now, generally you don't use a pad, okay? You use anything from the dollar store, one of those notebooks from the dollar store or Amazon or wherever. It's just gotta be $1 one. And I've tried to use nicer ones. I've even made a minimalism book that has the system in it that you can buy from Amazon. But generally all you need is $1 book, and that's all I've used. Even though I have that book myself, like I made that book to use, I still resort to this. But again, do it on a bigger book. I'll show you why in a second. So we got email Jan back. Number 2, I need to call the plumber, okay? So I need to grade Jamie's work. I need to send out party invites. So everything from no matter what you do, don't separate into different lists. You wanna keep this simple, don't overcomplicate. Put it down on one list. And then, boom, boom, boom. You're going to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, now, this is why you need one of those notebooks so that you got more space. And you can highlight the words to make it prettier. You can. But the bottom line is then you're gonna go to part 1, your little list here. I'm out of town, that's why I don't have my book. But I've been using this pad. So what you do is you look at your list. It doesn't matter how long it is, you're not going in order. You go through your list and you pick off, and remember your list is gonna be pages long. Like it can be pages long, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you look at it, anything that is on your mind, you get it off your mind and lower your anxiety by putting it on here. That's what I've studied for years is anxiety. That's why I do some of the stuff I do and how I try to keep my homeschool and my life as low key as possible. But so, you're gonna choose 3 things off your main master list. 3 things, that's it, so you don't get overwhelmed every day. Every day, 3 things, because you got life besides that. Like, it's not like you're not doing other stuff that day. Like, if literally the only thing you're doing that day is calling the plumber, emailing Jan back, and sending out party invites, all right, maybe tackle a few more, if you want. But that's it, and then you go back to the main list. Once you've done them, you get the satisfaction of checking it off twice. Boop, did it, cross it out. Cross it out. And then right there, once you've done it, then you cross it off this list as well. It is very satisfying, my friends. And that's it, I get it. I've tried using online things, I've tried using offline. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? But that's it. Anyway, there's my list. And okay, say like and subscribe.
Like your time.
Like and subscribe, thank you. Okay, that's it. So I hope that helps.